Can I keep one of them? I need gold.
Yeah. You can keep one for.
15. Oh,
Fingers off!
Don't just stop spam killing me. This is not fun.
You picked them up, you fool!
Stop my netherite. Bye. Sorry. Two cheeseburger.
Burger.
Oh, shit. I don't say burger.
Burger.
I don't say burger.
Okay,
I say burger.
Cheese?
Cheese. Cheese?
Burger.
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 Say the word burger.
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 Are you serious?
Jesus, why is it so hard
You
for
say
you?
it like such an idiot. It's not my fault, Big
You're
Q.
the one saying it like an idiot. No one says burger.
Okay, say the word burger.
Burger.
Burger. Alright, Jesus. Here you go.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that. Come with me, everyone. We have a plan. So a couple streams ago, we almost made a bunker, and then we were just called to play Among Us because we both forgot that we had to do that.
Not today.
Okay, you need to tone it down. I don't know what's in your... about 5 minutes ago, before the stream, you were like, yeah, okay, so if we make a bunker, and then that'll be all right. And then now you're like, let's go! And it's just like, you need to just tone it down. Just tone it down. Just tone it down. I really don't know. In real life, women are charmed by my presence. They see me, they go, oh, their like brain alarm goes off. Their brain alarm goes off. Their brain alarm goes off. They go. You know what they do? Quackity. They do this face. You know the PogChamp face? They go. It's cool when you see all the little faces in the...
Oh my god. Look.
You're like a personification of a metaphor, if you will.
So coming from the Schlatt stand.
How dare you? How dare you?
You wouldn't shoot
I am no Schlatt stand.
Go on, no, pull the crossbow back out. Go on. Do it.
No, it's on the... If we weren't in the Holy Land
go on,
right now, I'd shoot
it. Go on.
Out of you.
Yeah, you're too much of a pussy. You're too much of a pussy.
I will not break WAP. Would a pussy be able to walk like this? What the
Oh, goodness.
Tommy in it.
I'm gonna whistle for the blade and he'll come. Wilbur plans to blow up all of Manberg.
Yeah.
BFF?
Really, nigga?
Stuff.
No!
So.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey. What's up?
So who's this other guy, huh? Tom. He stole my name, you know.
He's older than you, actually. He had it first. You stole it from him.
I didn't fucking... I've never stolen anything. You know he's wearing my white and red.
No, but it's just red. More blood. Sucks. I'm still gonna punch you.
Yeah, I'm sprinting so I can regen health.
I'm not regenerating health.
You are too young even to have a driver's license!
He just got 10,000 IQ moment. Hey, guys. Hey, YouTube. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, super chat, share it on Twitter, share it on Instagram, share it on TikTok. Thank you very much.
Ow, it hurts my ears.
Wow. Sapnap 10 million IQ moments. Will leave like and subscribe. What if I... Oh my god, why are there two fucking Henrys? What the fuck? How am I gonna be able to... Okay, I've got to kill fake Henry. Oh no, but he's looking at me like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll call you Harold. I'm so sorry. Oh, he gave me the eyes. Listen, pal, I could just kill you right now, all right? And I'm not going to because we're such good friends, but I just know I could at all times. So why don't we just
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Let's do this trade, Techno. Let's do this trade. What do you need? What do you need? What, for the 1,000 bits diggles. Finish. Shit. Finish. Disruptive tower to disrupt shit.
Oh my goodness.
Question for you, Dream. Why did you just do that?
I don't know whether you deserve it.
When no. Okay. When you thought, here's a funny thing I can do, and you just went. What about you was like, yeah, this'll be fun.
What if we just...
All right, let's see what
What if
resources
we-
I have.
in the 20 minutes, try to get the music disc backs, but duplicate.
But that doesn't have any...
We're... Okay.
What?
You're too young even to have a driver's license.
Okay, we're gonna be going to a different base. Okay.
Wanna go back to my
yeah. I say we sprint. I say we sprint. Turbo, take this drink. Take this drink. You need it.
Nikki,
my
do
God.
Raise your glass to freedom. Oh my Yeah, your sister's got problems.
He said that you have problems. He said your sister's got problems.
LOL!
She's shaking her head.
Oh yeah, she
Don't
would.
cry. Don't cry. It's okay.
No,
Stop.
no, please.
Hey,
I mean,
stop. Don't
Oh,
cry.
yeah.
Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Come on.
yeah, I'm sure she'll get over it. Dream. No, my friend, don't get hit by a train. Dream. Oh!
Wait. What? What?
All right. So.
Dream.
Oh my God. He's
A
boarding
recruiter.
chicken.
A recruitment.
We can recruit him. We can recruit him. Come on, Turbo. Come with us. Hello.
Do you like?
Whoa! No, that's not allowed! Go! Jesus! Run! Hide! Dream, my eyes are burning. They're burning. I'm gonna go. Wait.
Walking back
One sec.
What do you mean?
Hey, Mom! I'm on 100,000 viewers. Thanks.
Hi, Tommy's chat.
Mother says cool, Turbo. She said cool.
She said you finally pleased her.
She
After
said
all these years
cool.
of trying.
Jump off the llama.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh, kill me! Okay. Tommy!
I'm calling the big fella.
Your call
Who?
has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
The fuck?
What are you going to do with me?
Okay.
Oh my God.